What happened?
They got in the crisps.
They got into the crisps. What happened?
I don't know. I just went to bed and they snuck in my favourite crisp.
Did they?
Yes.
They got up to mischief last night.
Yeah.
What
And
did
what
they
is
do?
this?
What did they do?
They put a book on the sofa.
You naughty owls. Are they naughty owls?
I'm throwing this in the bin.